Never happened with me.
Yeah, food aggression is not good.
No. I will crush your skull, Dawn.
Oh, I know. It's like, Are you ever going to chase your tail so we can get that on camera? Stupid. It's like, no, but I'm going to sit on it and make it look like I'm going to lick it.
Yeah.
Hey. Toby. Toby. Come here. Let's come over here for a minute. Come here, dork. Come on. You know you want to. Get up here. Come here. You're making this difficult, aren't you? Gotta admit, those sounds you make are kind of cute. Snort, snort, snort. Oh, oh. Did you get it? Did you get it? He's like, yeah, I'm looking at, can't you tell? Bite your tail.
My friend Heather put this on. I love Halloween. You get free candy without having to get into anyone's van.
That is true. Did you get it? Da, 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 da.
I want to hear the drama that happened between Becky and Kim.
Oh, I won't hear about it soon enough. I'll ask him. I wanted a little bit of time to go by before.
Well, she found, like, you know, this is Rose and new love and all that, but poor Becky.
Well, the thing is, it sucks because her and Becky have been together for 10 years.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, seriously, are you done biting your tail now? I mean, seriously. He's like, look, it's Mama.
How come you don't perform on command?
Actually, I got him too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, picked him up, scratched him, and then he watched him twirl for a little bit.
Ah, so that's what triggered it.
Mm-hmm.